Hello people, welcome to my new video. अनि म चाहिँ अहिले कहाँ छु भन्दाखेरि right in front of Scott Bikes Nepal and Himalayan single track, as you can see. दामी portrait हो जसले बनायो पनि. It's amazing. So here I walk into the Scott showroom. So as you can see, a sexy bike, Scott bike here, and the white one. And this is e-bike Scott Go. And this one is also enduro style. Enduro style, man. I think this is cross country. And it is also sexy. Here we have a beast. Awesome setup. There's XC bike, and you can see Scott gears right there. So alright people, so this is Himalayan single track. So I'm walking into it. Well, Thapaiko, your cycle go price more than 8 lakhs, 9 lakhs, 9 lakhs. Every bikes are sexy. Enduro, city bike, match city, girly, giant go, leaf, full XC bike, carbon. Every parts Shimano or धेरै कुराहरुको अनि चेन रिङहरु पनि छ, टायर्सहरु मन परि लगाए पाए. Here we have helmets. टाउको बचाउनु पर्यो नि त. Helmets, as you can see there, and this is sales part, reception. And if you want jerseys, O'Neill, this is also O'Neill. Hats, handle grips, helmets, factory, Fox Factory, Marzuki, 100% gloves, pedals, wrist pedals, and stuffs, jerseys. Everything is available at Himalayan single track. And if you are a big fan of Salmon shoes, you can find here in HST. Salmon running shoes. And this one, La Sportiva, La Sportiva. Many more. Funkier jerseys, DS1 Enduro, normal, riding bags, Tifo chic, gogs, beautiful beast here. Welcome to the HST. Kochi bags, O'Neill shoes. Welcome to Himalayan single track. And if you like to, this is THAMEL masa aunu, because it's one of the best store in Nepal. Rock bike. It's been my dream suspension. It's new one, guys. Alright, this is gonna be the end of my video. Walking through Himalayan single track. It's dammy. See you.